Welcome to KC Web Tech Center. Are you looking for how to become a cybersecurity expert, or you want to become an ethical hacker? You're welcome aboard. At KC Web Tech Center, we will be delighted to mentor you into this cybersecurity or ethical hacker, and also be in partnership with you after you have learned this from us. There are different scenarios in which you'll be learning how to do penetration testing, or how to harvest credentials of persons. And in this video, which I'll be attaching to this, you will see how I was able to hack the password of my Wi-Fi, and also how I was able to detect the credential, the login credentials in a website which I enter.
So we want to see how I will be able to hack into my Wi-Fi and get the password. I don't know the password, so I want to know it. I want to discover it through this means. Now the next step for us to do is to what? I've already my data is already showing, and I'm already in the monitor mode. Now I want to discover all the whole Wi-Fi in my environment. I use my arrow down /ng. So it's not writing. I use my arrow down /ng, then WLAN0. So I want to discover all the whole network, all the whole Wi-Fi in my environment. Okay, this is my network, this is my two wire and Wi-Fi. Well, I'm going to be attacking this KC Web Tech. So I want to stop, no need to be searching. So I've discovered that. So the next thing for me to do is to find out all the host system that is being connected to this KC Web Tech. I want to know all the host system that are connected to such. So I use my arrow down /ng /c. That's my channel. The channel is channel 5. This is the channel 5 /BSSID. Then I copy the BSSID of this channel, which is this. Then the next thing for me to do is to create my word list. Create my word list. You can use any name, then my WLAN0. So I want to discover all the host system that are connected to this KC Web Tech. So this one has come up. This is my other system that is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then to discover the next one, because my system and my phone are being connected to this Wi-Fi. So you can see the two of them is showing. My phone and my system is showing. Now the next thing for me to do, I want to disconnect one of them. After disconnecting one of them, it will not show me my handshake at the top here. Then from there we continue. There I open another window. Then the next thing for me to do is to use, since I've opened another window, now I want to disconnect one of these systems from my Wi-Fi to get my handshake. So I use my AirPlay /ng /05 /a. Then I copy my BSSID of that which I want to disconnect. I want to disconnect this phone. Then I copy the BSSID. Copy the BSSID. Paste it. Then the next thing to do is to /c then I copy the extension of this network. Copy this. Then my W plus 0. Just be watching at this top here. You can see the handshake have appeared. You can see it, the handshake has appeared. Okay, now the handshake has appeared, which is this at the top here. So the next thing for us to do, since we have succeeded getting the handshake of this Wi-Fi, then we now would come to this first light. Since it has seen us, then Ctrl C. Then the next thing for us to do is this. Open use LX. You can see the hack Wi-Fi. So whenever what you are using is this one, we are going to be making use of, we have to hack this hack Wi-Fi 01 cap. So we'll be using ROCU to get this word list, because it was a word list which we created. So what we're going to do is what aircrack /ng, then hack underscore Wi-Fi. Okay, hack underscore Wi-Fi /01 dot cap. Okay, dot cap. Then IW, then slash US arrow slash share slash word list slash ROCU, because this is the location where our word list is. Just give it time. It's searching for the password. You can see how fast it is. It's searching for the password. It's searching for the password. It's cracking it. It's cracking the password so fast. And once you have gotten the password of this my Wi-Fi, it will stop. Give it time, some minutes, it should be done. Boom! You can see it has discovered the password. So you can see how reliable this word list is, ROCU. So you can see that my key fan, my mother 12, that is the password I use in my Wi-Fi. So I can change it anytime, any day. So for you to be able to safeguard yourself, make sure your password is more than 8 characters or 12 characters. You can use 20, 50 characters. What you know you can remember. Use alphabets, numbers, numeric numbers, use symbols also. All these, when they are being combined together, it will be very difficult for hackers to penetrate and to hack. But once you have an easy password, this easy password can easily be discovered within the twinkle of an eye.
These we are using in our lab, our own personal information, because we have access and we have permissions to do that. And as an ethical hacker, you must be given a permission to do a test, to do a pen test, or to hack whatsoever. That is the more reason why some companies they hire a cybersecurity expert specialist or an ethical hacker to be ahead against these black hat hackers. Do you want to become one of these ethical hackers? Do you want to know how to safeguard your data or how to save your companies from making losses? Contact us today and we'll be delighted to train you, to teach you, and not just teaching you, to be a partnership with you till you become an expert in the field of cybersecurity.